Money flows to me effortlessly and easily. I am a wealth magnet. I have more than enough money. I am rich. I know there are even more unlimited ways that money can come to me. I allow an even greater abundance of money to flow to me. I am grateful for all the money I have received in my life. I intend financial freedom forevermore. Money is my friend. I always have more money coming in than going out. I deserve money so I can do everything I want to do in this life. Sharing my abundance with others makes me feel good. I have the exact knowledge that is required to make my success perfect. I am financially thriving. I made the decision to become wealthy. I love money and money loves me. I am becoming richer and richer every day in every way. I choose prosperity. I am open to receiving all the riches the universe wants to give me. I always have whatever I need. I am eternally grateful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. I create wealth and prosperity with ease. Every day in every way, my wealth is increasing. I always have enough money to meet my needs. I am attracting more and more money every day. I attract money effortlessly and easily. I deserve all good things. I have more than enough. I love sharing my abundance with my loved ones. There is an abundance of money and it is on its way to me. I am receiving more money every day. I am grateful for my ever increasing wealth and prosperity. I have the money to cover all my financial obligations now and forevermore. I welcome the abundance and all the riches of the planet into my life. I thank the universe for all the prosperity that is mine today. I am excited to see where more money is going to come from next. Abundance and prosperity are my birthright. I deserve to be wealthy. I intend that money will flow to me today. I say yes to financial freedom for me and everyone around me. I am open to the possibility that money can flow to me from all directions. The world has never been richer and I am receiving even more of those riches. Financial freedom is up to me. I choose it for myself. I open myself to the possibility that good fortune is mine. The universe is constantly providing all of the abundance I require for a full, happy life. The universe has received my order for more money and will make it appear to me. This is exactly the right time for me to be wealthy. I have what it takes to succeed. I welcome prosperity, health, and happiness into my life. I am attracting all the money I need to live my fullest life. Money is constantly appearing in my life in unexpected ways. I am a money magnet. Of course, I can be financially free. Money comes to me from many sources. I am making a conscious decision to have financial freedom now. Money never stops flowing to me. I effortlessly attract wealth. I am generous and the universe repays me 100-fold. I always have enough money for everything I want to do in this life. The more I share my wealth, the more my wealth grows. I am a channel for life's flow of abundance. Money belongs to me. I am open to receiving even more abundance in every area of my life. I make money in my sleep. I am so grateful to be able to share my wealth with others. I know that I am worthy of wealth right now, just as I am. I enjoy the freedom that money brings to my daily life. I am a wealth creator. I am blessed with abundance every day of my life. I enjoy financial freedom. I am grateful to receive all the money I need. My bank account is full. Wealth is a blessing that enriches my daily life. Financial freedom is not only possible, it is here now. I smile with gratitude when I think of the abundance in my life. Money flows to me so easily that I can afford anything I want. The universe wants to give me everything that I desire. Money, money, money. Manifest here and now in rich abundance. Every day is prosperous for me. Every situation is prosperous for me. I always have far more money than I need. Lavish abundance fills my life every day and in every way. I deserve all the riches that I desire. I am financially independent today and forever. I command that every financial door and channel open for me and that they flow with endless abundance. I always receive all the money I need to live a full life. Now is the perfect time for money to flow to me in abundance. It is my birthright to be rich, successful, and happy. It feels so good to be financially free. I love my abundant life. Infinite intelligence fills me with wisdom, success, and prosperity at all times. Only the best comes to me no matter where I am or what I am doing. I let go of all fear of not having enough. I love being surprised by all the ways universe brings money to me. Every dollar that I spend returns to me multiplied. My whole life is abundant. I am a magnet for riches and wealth. I can attract more money with every thought I think. I am wealthy, wealthy, wealthy. I never have to worry about money again. I only think thoughts of abundance and prosperity. I have dreamt of being this wealthy for a long time. I let go of all thoughts and beliefs that do not serve my prosperity. I am determined to cultivate a wealth mindset. Prosperity fills every cell of my body. I know everything I need to know to be wealthy now. I allow money to flow to me in large quantities. I am open to receiving riches to live a full and happy life. I always have more than enough money. Every dollar I pay out with gratitude returns to me multiplied. I am rich beyond my wildest dreams. I am a walking, breathing money magnet. With every abundant thought, I attract even more money to me. Every day I am open to receiving money from surprising sources. I allow more money to flow into my life than ever before. Prosperity and abundance of every kind are attracted to me. I am incredibly grateful for all the money I've had in my life. Every wealthy thought I think is changing my finances and my life. I release all resistance around money so it flows freely into my life. All is well. I allow happiness and joy to be my predominant state. I am open and receptive to all the good that universe has to offer. More money is flowing back to me. Every month the money in my bank account is climbing dramatically. I am grateful for every amount of money that I receive. My mind is a money magnet. I am already wealthy and I am now tuning my mind to receive it. Whenever I pay money out, it always returns to me multiplied. Money naturally flows to me, just like the air I breathe. Visualizing my wealthy life makes me so excited. Money comes to me from unexpected directions. I have the power to create the wealth I dream of. My mind is constantly giving me wealthy thoughts. I am attracting my dream-rich life. My bank balance is increasing every day. I attract all the money I need for everything I want. I am so grateful to finally be financially free. I love sharing my wealth with my family and friends. The universe is always taking care of me. I can see money flowing to me. I am wealthy, healthy, and so happy. The more I give, the more I receive. I love my happy, abundant life. My finances are growing every day. I have an unshakable wealth mindset. There is unlimited abundance available for everyone. The richer and happier I am, the more I have to share with others. I deserve to be wealthy. Riches are my birthright. I love getting checks in the mail. The universe has unlimited ways to bring money to me. I am on the frequency of riches. Financial freedom is easy. I am open to receiving all the riches I desire. I am a match to wealth. I am receiving abundance in many different forms. Thank you for the lavish abundance that continues to surround and permeate me. Money is magnetized to me and I am magnetized to money. I have multiple income streams. I love my rich life. Wealth is constantly flowing into my life. My intention is financial freedom for myself and everyone. Money comes to me effortlessly. I constantly keep my mind trained on wealth. The universe is taking care of all of my needs. I am so grateful for the wealth that I am attracting every day. My rich thoughts are changing my financial circumstances in this moment. I love thinking about having plenty of money. I am so grateful for the wealth I am blessed with. I inspire everyone around me to create wealth through the power of their mind. I am deserving of wealth. I am focused on wealth, so wealth is mine. The feeling of being financially free is so wonderful. My thoughts are constantly focused on wealth, prosperity, and riches. I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich.